Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from FGNormal. So this unboxing is sort of storage / off the canvas items. So I'm going to move the big ones out the way and I'm going to start with the one that is sort of in view. But this is a Christmas, which I know we've had a bit of Christmas recently, but nobody seems to mind. So I'm gonna carry on. This is a Christmas pillowcase. So you don't get the cushion for inside, but sometimes that's actually easier because then you're more likely to be able to store just the cover away. And change it for a non-Christmas themed one afterwards. The back of it is really soft. So it's white on the back but nice and soft. Does have a zip up for you to pop either just some stuff in or an actual cushion inside. Let's have a look at the size so you can determine if you can find a cushion of that size. So it is 31 centimetres or 12 inches ish by just under 31, again by sort of 12 inches. So see if you can find a 12 inch by 12 inch cushion, or maybe even a 13 inch depending on the quality, for it to pad up a little bit, and you could have your very own diamond painted Christmas cushion. It does come with a toolkit. You get baggies with this one, and then we have the diamonds. Got quite a few different size big ones for the baubles, but let's start with the smaller ones. So it comes with a strip and then packets, but we have a couple of types of green. Then we have silver that actually have a black back, but these are fully silver. We have pink rhinestones, yellow, teal blue, orangey red, yellow, blue, and then the clear but with a silver back, so have a silver look of rhinestones. And then for the extras we have some stars, red circles, big gold circles, like a bit of gold at Christmas, some blue circles, bigger purple circles, huge red circles, number 11, oh yeah, some big baubles on the tree. Then we have some gold, number 18, that one is, where's the, oh, the gold gives a little garland down the Christmas tree. And then number 17 for some big gold, the odd little bauble is in gold as well. That'd be quite nice. It'll have all the green and then you'll just have this garland of gold going all the way down the tree, and then some presents of course in nice fun colours. And you can get yourself a little Christmas pillow for your couch or whatever else. Just trying to fold these up so they'll actually fit back in the packaging, because I don't want them to all get mulled up with anything else. Do I have anything else? Oh yeah, I have something else that I think has diamonds. My brain's currently forgotten what it is. But that's the first one, a Christmas cushion. Move the box out of the way because the box is a bit bashed. Then we have this one. Here we go. So this one isn't Christmas themed, but they have a few different types of these, which I thought was quite fun. But this is an acrylic piece. In this case, it is an anchor, which would look really nice on a bathroom. They have given you the proper like twine. I'm zoomed all the way out. No, there we go. Try that, and then maybe I won't keep cutting it out of camera focus. But it's got fish, it's got a starfish, it's got some rope, it's got some boats, all intertwined on this anchor, which you can then hang up as a decor piece. I'm liking all the decor that's appearing. You do get a standard toolkit, and then this one is in rhinestones. So if you like some sparkle in your life, we have some silver and then some sort of off yellow. Looks a little bit gold, but more of a champagne gold. Yellow and blue. Little pop of red on the sailboat. We've got some white pearls. Blue. And then we've got some, they're sort of a bronzy type colour. Red, purple. Oh, they're pretty. They're like those ones that I call little buttons, but they're in silver. Iridescent, very nice. And some big pearls as well. Because, you know, pearls live in the sea. Need to have pearls. But yeah, there's quite a few different acrylic pieces that are out there as decor. But I thought this one, if you have a, you know, maybe bathroom or downstairs washroom, as they call them, or downstairs toilet, as you call them here, downstairs loo, in the sort of beachy, sailory theme, this might be a nice little addition to your decor. Combine the hobby and the decor. There is no reason why you can't. And then, last but by no means at all least, this is new to this channel. I have showcased this before on my other channel, so if you do watch both, you may have seen this. If you only watch this channel, you haven't. But I find this stuff amazing. And this is available from FGNormal as well. This is, I love it when they come up with new decor items, but I love it even more when they come up with new storage. So it's very well protected in bubble wrap and then a bag. Okay, the tape's managed to rip the bag, so let's get in there properly. So what you get, and there are different options with this, but you do get 2 funnels which help you to tip the diamonds back into the pot. There's a combination where you can just get the outer shell. There are combinations where you can get 1, 2, I think 3, or maybe it's 1, 2 and 4 in different sections. You can get them with Tic Tac boxes in as well, but I've gone for the one with the round bottles in. And these are little drawers. So let me just detangle one of them. Which way is it going to go? Oh, it is forward. Forward for this one, backwards for that one. Okay, so this is one individual and it will hold 22 bottles. You do get some stickers as well, but they're underneath. So you do get a sheet of stickers for labelling the bottles, but it'll fit 22 bottles in. And what I absolutely love about this storage, not only the fact that this is, you know, nice and easy to be able to get hold of the bottles and hold quite a few, but depending on how many diamonds you have, you can build these up. So they connect in multiple places. So you can connect 2 together side by side by putting it on from the back first in these grooves. So if you put it on from the back, because then it won't move forward anymore. So they are fully connected, only holding it by one. Try not to lose the drawers. But what you can also do is, does this go from the back or from the front? No, it can go from here. Is you can also connect them. No, I think I do need to do this one from the front. Yeah, I do. You can also connect them, and it won't go any further, on top of each other, stacked. So you can, depending on your workspace, and I'm trying to pull it off the wrong way, because they do have a stopping point. So depending on your workspace, you may choose to have 4 lined up quite low down. You know, if maybe they go underneath a shelf or something, you may choose to stack them that way. Or if you only have a thin space, I've done it again, this one goes on from the front. If you only have a thin space, then you can stack them from the top, if I can get it to go on. Just because I'm doing it on camera. There we go. So this one needs to come forward and then go on backwards. There we go. So if you've only got a tall, thin space, you can stack them as high as you want. And you can build these up with multiple different sets, if that's the way you like it. If you have a big project, like a Heaven and Earth design project, you may need a few of these to be able to store all your diamonds. Or you may choose to actually kit up a couple of different kits and actually have a little label on here to name which kit it is, if you like to mix and match between a few of them. You can change them about according to what you fancy. And of course, if I take those two off and put them on from this way, you can have them how they came, which is as a grid of 4. A grid of 4 is quite nice. It is actually easier if you put them on if you put them on together, separately rather than together. When you're trying to do 2 at a time, it's sometimes not as easy, because I'm trying to line them up. Let's try it that way. They do, as I say, they do each have a stopping point. There we go. So once they are gridded together, then they're pretty sturdy. They do also come with hooks on the back. So if it is something that you maybe have some space, but you want it off the desk, you know, maybe your diamond painting takes up the desk, you could always put a screw into the wall and maybe just hook the top one up on your wall, and then it could take the weight of the rest, of course depending on how many you decide to stack. But there are multiple options with these, and they're such cute little drawers. They really are cute little drawers. You could also, if you have a craft space, but so like I myself have a craft room, but I actually diamond paint in the front room, or our new front room, on the couch. I could have a couple of smaller diamond paintings kitted up and just take the tray out with me, go off and diamond paint, and when I've finished, pop it back into its slot. But yes, I will pop a link, of course, for everything down below. But we have a few fun, different types of things, and of course some gorgeous storage that will be probably used and abused. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.